Hi, it's Paula and it's Wisdom Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about our sick care. Our sick care society. We are not treating people to be healthy in our healthcare system. We are treating sick people. Most of our discussions do not talk about ways to prevent a disease, to eat more healthy and think about nutrition as food. We really go to the doctor or the emergency room when we're often very sick, and the only options are presented as a pill, a procedure, a surgery, something that's pretty drastic. I was listening to something the other day and someone was pre-diabetic and the doctor said, come back when you're diabetic and we'll talk about getting you on medication. But they didn't take the time to talk about how you could prevent or reverse the diabetes. So much of what can be done for our health is actually in the preventative care. If you think back over these last 2 years, how much did you hear about the importance of taking care of your immune system and ways you could do that? From sunshine and vitamin C, vitamin D, ways that you would boost your immunity, getting the proper amount of sleep. How do we keep stress out of our lives? These are all ways that we can, and if we're handling them properly, we can boost our immune system. But if we stay in a state of fear and stress, we are just deteriorating our immune system to just terrible levels, to the point where we have to get on a little pill. We have to have a procedure. I really want to stress how we each need to take responsibility for our health. It is a system where preventative medicine is so much better for each of us if we can take the time. And I know it takes time, it takes some research, but finding practitioners that can help you understand that what you put into your body, the nutrition, it goes into your gut, and it basically tells the gut a whole bunch of things: how to process, how to feel better, how to operate your body with the highest efficiency. Do you realize if you really should never have indigestion? You should never have gas. You should never have a lot of these problems, because they're a result of putting food in your body that your body does not need, want, or tolerate. So don't just take a little pill because you ate some dairy. You got to find a way to cut dairy out. I know sometimes these things are hard, but it's so important that you look at the reactions to what's happening. Consider alternative healthcare, which is becoming less alternative, but acupuncture, chiropractic, ways that you get more in tune with your body. Bill and I, we do posture therapy every day. I want to keep my body aligned so that the aches and pains don't happen. So if my foot's turning out, it's on my right, can cause my left shoulder to be out of balance, which then causes a problem in my hips. When you understand that it's all related, it changes everything. So today I'm encouraging you to think about your health in a new way. Take 100% responsibility for making sure that you stay well, that you stay out of illness, and find ways to minimize the amount of pharmaceuticals that you take. Do you realize that the pharmaceutical industry didn't even start until after World War II? Bill's been reading The Empire of Pain, and you realize that after penicillin was created out of World War II, the whole industry just exploded. We used to do things in a natural way and they worked. Now we rely on a pill or a procedure for everything. So I implore you to think about other ways that you can explore how to keep yourself healthy. And that's another Wisdom Wednesday.